academics here are just extraordinary. It is so sophisticated, the level of thinking.
We have developed an incredibly cutting-edge program in STEAM as well as in humanities. Our goal is really to meet the whole range of students' needs emotionally, religiously, spiritually, academically as they grow throughout high school.
The student-teacher relationships in the school are beyond anything that I've seen with, my friends in other schools.
Torah is the deepest way to get to know another person. That's where relationships come from between students and teachers in the most powerful way.
I'm passionate about teaching Gemara and Halacha. It's really the foundation of everything that we do, and I want to convey that to the next generation to keep that alive and to keep that dynamic.
When we learn Torah here, it's not just out of obligation, but it's out of love.
We started a WhatsApp group in which students share their questions about Torah, and there's just constant conversation and activity between students and teachers.
The way the teachers teach us the material, and I also learn things that really apply to my own life.
At Mishmar, almost everyone comes after school every week. There are a lot of interesting speakers.
We care deeply about instilling in students the skills to learn on their own, and at the same time, we care deeply about Jewish religious self-expression, inspiration. One of the hallmarks of Ma'ayanot is that students really get a lot of choice in what they study.
We spend a lot of time working to hone their writing skills. I want them to love literature.
What we learn in biology is just so interesting. We really use projects to develop our understanding.
The STEAM curriculum at Ma'ayanot is very sophisticated, and it was really, really cool to learn how to code, use the 3D printers.
We met over the course of the year with residents at the Jewish home at Rockley and built something specific for their needs.
We went to the science fair and we presented our project.
What we built was basically a detector. It tells you in advance if you're going to have an asthma attack.
There was the bracelet for narcolepsy, which would vibrate if a person was falling asleep.
This is a project I've been working on for a year, and it shows that you can really do anything that you put your mind to.
It really just taught me how to use all these skills that I didn't even know I had.
It's not only leadership skills, but learning skills I need for college and I need for the future.
Everybody's making way.
I personally like the all-girls environment.
I don't think I necessarily would have pictured my daughter in an all-girls school, but I think for her it's been something that's been fantastic.
So to be honest, when I came to deciding a high school, I struggled a lot, but I think it came down to the fact that there are so many extracurricular activities. It's not, the seniors can do this one and the freshmen can do this one. Every single person has the opportunity to try out for a wide variety of things.
I'm on the mock trial team.
I love to swim, and Ma'ayanot has a swim team.
I'm on debate and soccer.
The Chesed committee.
Scope is important, and the size of a school is important because you don't want to feel like you were limited because your school couldn't offer you what you wanted.
You can make your own committee, you can make your own club, you can suggest an elective choice even.
The school also has a huge emphasis on chesed. They run 1 million chesed events. All our chesed activities are fun, hands-on, engaging. Heartbeats is for sure one of the highlights of my year. It's really fun because everyone gets to show their talents. We raised $35,000 for Tackle Kids Cancer. You have the power to make a change.
I think that since Ma'ayanot is a community school, it serves as a platform for my parents and me to both enjoy and develop through the school together.
We graduated after the best 4 years of my life.
You want your child to be happy. That's what you want from a school.
I learned that I'm capable of more than I thought I was. Really, anything is possible. I learned how to be more efficient and to study and how to live life as a person who cares about Torah and Hashem and just give back.
We truly believe that Ma'ayanot gives the best education possible. Whatever they want to accomplish, they can do.
Ma'ayanot takes your child the first day of freshman year and teaches them to love Torah, love themselves, appreciate everyone around you.
If you want your daughter to grow in confidence and grow in herself, Ma'ayanot is the place to be.